Okay, you are seeing this one is 31. I should show the 30th one. Yeah, I should show this one instead. This one. Okay, very quick one. All right, for those who have just newly joined me, we are doing these extra questions just for speed test. Okay, then this is called question one. I want everyone to like, we will find time. Don't worry, Melissa. Thank you. Yes. Wow, so fast. I haven't typed in the question. Okay, okay. All right, Q1, Q1. EQ lah, I should say this EQ1, EQ1. Ah, answer. Jia have already typed in very quickly. Yeah, so type in the answers. We have 40,000 for ones. So yeah, 40,000. Let's try, huh? The 40,000. Which one is the 40,000? Of course, these two lah. EQ stands for extra question. E, correct. Okay, then you got 40, 40. You got four ones. You see? So stands. Speed test must be quick one, ma. Six stands and 6,000. But this is for the 600s. For those who know, will know what does it mean. Yeah, thank you. D, yes. Yeah. Wait, six ones. Here is ones. Okay, that this is hundreds. So this is thousands. Okay, maybe I put this. Good. All of you got correct. Quick one. Number two, speed test. Can use calculator, no worries. Okay, just use calculator and do it. Yeah. Mm. Okay, let me type the question EQ. This is EQ2, huh? Okay, EQ2, your answer. Given 3 cups, 2 flasks. Okay, 2 flasks, huh? Total capacity of 3 cups. So you must times 3. Are you all ready? Some say C, some say A. How? So this is 1,005. This is 1.5, 1.05 times 2. So 1.05 times 2 will get down to 2.1. So I have 2001. If I change it to here, then this is 3600. Yes. Good. Okay. Yes, thank you, Renwei. Sure, sure, sure. No problem. Okay, let me type you a message, huh? Wait, Renwei. All right. So who are the ones who got it correct? What is the total capacity? Total ma, you add them up. So those who do mistake one, do take note. 500 times 3 is 1,005. And times 2 plus 1,005 will be 3,006. Good, thank you. All right, quickly one. Okay, this one will need only less than 1 minute. Ready? EQ3, go. Yeah, so sorry. EQ3. Want to type EQ3. All right, so this one says that you have 4 meters cut into 5 equal pieces and had 1/4 of it left. What is the length of each piece of scarf? Okay. So you see, this is called 4 meter, and you have 1/4 of it. So can I say 1/4 of it should be like that, right? Okay. Yeah, please work on it, work on it. No doubt I started to work on it. Okay. 1/4 of it, fraction of a set. So 1/4 of the 4 meter equals to 1 meter. So 1 meter left. How many of you put only one answer? Then I stop, lor. Don't do. Why nobody responds except only one? The rest of them. EQ3 already, no? Faster, faster. Keep working on it. Okay, and then this is cut into 5 equal pieces. All right. See here. Careful with the word lah, please. Okay, let me explain for those who got it wrong. So this is called the 4 meter, right? So where's the 1/4 that is being left? Let's take a look. Where's the left here? Okay, so this is the left. How you know? Because it say 1/4 of it, where I do the working here. So when this is 1 meter, the rest of it will be 3 meters, which is cut into 5 pieces. Okay, so I just didn't draw this for 5 pieces only. This is how so-called like that, right? So this one is called the 3 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is called 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so each is 3 out of 5. So far, okay? All right. Let me check. We have only 10 so far. Still got few of them, but I don't want to wait. Let's start from today's work. Okay. Okay. So then let me save this first. Otherwise, later I cannot post it. I will keep these questions inside of our today's lesson. I'll park it there. Don't worry if you have missed, can go there and look at it. All right. So what we are going to cover today here. Oh, this one. This is the one here. And what we are going to cover today is quantity per unit of another. Okay. Understanding rate. Right. Solving this problem. There will be new concepts for today. What we are going to learn is overhead bridge. I believe overhead bridge, you all learned that before. Some of them may not like that idea of overhead bridge. Okay. But whatever it is, you can use your method. I'm okay with that. Okay. All right. Now, overhead bridge, what we have is always like 5 units, probably give you $6, for example. Okay. And if I want to find 3 units straight away, I can have this question mark, get up the escalator, circle 6 over, divide over 5. What do you have? 5, right? So then get down your escalator, multiply by 3, and that's where you get your 18 out of 5, and then you get $3 and something. This one, I just use calculator quickly, get the answers, $3.60. Okay, what I'm calling this is called the overhead bridge. Now, this one we'll be using a lot of this in the rates, all right? So rate, the word is a mathematical term is per. Per means each. Per means 1. So that is describing how fast or how much is 1. It depends on the question. Okay. Today we will be learning directly and indirectly proportion so that we can calculate it. You don't have to understand what is called the term directly, indirectly. Yeah. All we need to know is we have to use this overhead bridge and some of the thinking skills. All right. For example, we can say, how are these applied in our daily life? For example, we are buying, even buying, okay, buying goods, okay, driving, okay, traveling also. How does traveling here sound? Have, like I can jog 2 kilometers in 30 minutes. This is called rate also, because from here we can calculate, in 1 kilometer, how much you can use up for running. So these are called rate, right? This one is buying goods here. This is traveling here. Okay. And then we also can have doing work. Okay, how does doing work help here? For example, I want to paint the room. Maybe I use 5 hours to paint a room. Okay, to paint one room, perhaps. Okay, all this will tell you how fast you do a job. And then we can go on to find like in 1 hour, how much you can paint, all this kind of thing. Okay. All right. So then we also have to cover things like printing. Printing is also doing work. Maybe we talk about printing. For example, printer printing your worksheet. Right. When printer printing your worksheet, we can say maybe about 60 pages and it will take 5 minutes. You see, all these are called rate, right? So from here, you're able to tell the how fast the speed can print. Okay. Then it also involves taking time to fill up the tank, also doing work, right? Fill up tank because there's always a tap used. Okay. You know, right? The tap, you turn it on, it will fill up the tank in 3 hours of swimming pool. Then it will fill up one tank. Wow, the tank must be very big, oh. Take 3 hours just to fill that. Okay. Then we also have travel. Yeah. Building also one. Building toys. Yeah. You know what I call building toys? Like Lego lah. Building Lego toys. Okay, all these are example and we need to look at it today lah. Can? Okay, so without waiting, let's go through what's supposed to be for today. Yeah, this is the one that for example this. Okay, I can see quite a few of them have not entered the answers inside. Okay, who have not entered your answers inside? Do it now. Key into your system now, okay, so that it will capture your answer so I know what you are doing. Okay. Mm, yes, Jiaqi did. 认为 you need to key in your answers, 认为. Okay. How we did. Kaihan. Kaihan, I don't see yours. Do you do your work? You did, huh? Do you key into the system? Do you key in the answer? I didn't see it. Can you check whether have you been entered in? Hui Hui also? Hui Hui, can you key in the system now? All right. Jovan, can you turn on your video, Jovan? If not, I got to put you in the meeting room already, Okay, Jovan, you need to key in the system for your answer. Number one, turn on your video, key in the answer. Okay. Yeah, I will check it later. Okay. Number one, Andy can paint a house in 2 days. So 2 days is telling you the speed of how fast a person can do the job. Okay, so that is painting. So same overhead bridge because it's asking you for paint a house, right? Here, let's say you're talking about 2 days and you paint one whole of the house, right? So in 52 days, you must have painted a lot of houses, right? So what is that called? Okay, it's 1/2 times 52 equals to 26. That is called the rate. Based on the rate, calculate